everyone, Kronos here, and do I have a meal for you? Now, who here has children? Ever wonder that these children will kill you? Maybe because you killed your own parent? Come on, raise your hand if you killed a parent. Or maybe, just maybe, you're worried that your kids will someday kind of take over. Take your job, your stuff. So the first thing you'll need to do is take your baby and kill it. A good clean cut. Now saute the small child in a pan with extra virgin olive oil. It's the only way to do it. Do this for 4 minutes. So now, pop this guy in the oven for 20 minutes at 320 degrees. Now, what's this guy taste like, you might ask? Well, you're about to find out for yourself.